Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into one of the best black matte shower systems available on the market. The SR Sunrise 12-inch ceiling mount matte black shower system. This system promises luxury, functionality, and durability, making it a standout choice for any modern bathroom upgrade. Let's explore what sets this shower system apart. First off, let's talk about the build quality. The SR Sunrise shower system boasts an all-metal construction with a matte black finish that not only looks sleek but also resists fingerprints and corrosion. It's built to last, with components like a solid brass mixing valve that ensures long-term reliability and prevents issues like water hammer. When it comes to functionality, this shower system doesn't disappoint. It features a 304 stainless steel rain shower head with silicone nozzles, allowing easy cleaning and preventing mineral buildup. Even in low water pressure environments, you'll experience a high-pressure rain shower thanks to its innovative design. Safety is paramount with the Senior Sunrise system. It's equipped with a pressure balance valve that monitors and balances water pressure, protecting you from sudden temperature changes. Plus, it's CUPC certified and meets standards like ASME A112.18.1-2018 by CSAB 125.1-18, ensuring it's safe and compliant with U.S. plumbing regulations. Installing this shower system is straightforward, designed for standard 1x2 U.S. plumbing connections. SR Sunrise offers a reassuring 10-year warranty, covering any product quality issues and ensuring peace of mind for years to come. Customer support is responsive, promising to address any concerns within 24 hours. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your bathroom with a stylish and high-performing shower system, the SR Sunrise 12-inch ceiling mount matte black shower system is an excellent choice. Its combination of sturdy construction, luxurious design, and practical features makes it a standout in the market.